If you're trying to stay underneath that 95 decibel limit that some states impose, but want to add a little more attitude to your EcoBoost Mustang, today we're going to show you how with help from Ford Performance. This is the Ford Performance by Borla Touring Catback Exhaust System fitting your 2018 EcoBoost Fastback or convertible. It's made of 304 stainless steel right here in the USA. Features 2¼ inch piping with mandrel bends. Now when it comes to the tips on this system, you have 3 choices. It's available in the chrome tip shown here. It's also available in a black chrome tip or a carbon fiber tip. This will be a direct replacement for your factory system, and in the case of the touring system, it's going to keep it under that 95 dB limit. All right, for comparison's sake, we're going to give you some clips of the stock exhaust. So the first step in installing your Ford Performance by Borla exhaust, get the car off the ground, remove the factory exhaust system. To do that, it's definitely a two-man job. Will make it easier. You'll loosen these bolts here, loosen 2 back hangers, and then you're going to slide it off as one full system. Then you're going to remove these 2 bolts back here to release these hangers. What we're going to do is actually slide the whole system back on these rear tailpipe hangers and then slide it forward off the car. Once you remove your factory system, you want to grab these 2 hangers and this front clamp as you'll use them on your Ford Performance system. Begin the installation by reinstalling the factory clamp. And then grab your Y pipe. Put it up into place. We'll have to adjust later, so just snug these for now. Now you can move on to the tailpipes. The tailpipes are labeled, so make sure you grab the correct size. And you'll grab a single clamp and the factory hanger, put the hanger on and the clamp, and put it up into place. We're going to reinstall the factory hardware and snug that and the clamp. Again, don't make them tight, just snug enough so they don't move too easily. All right, now you want to grab the muffler, which is also side specific, and a single clamp. Put it up into the hanger. And line it up with the tailpipe. And now we'll snug this clamp up as well. Repeat the process on the other side, and we'll go back through and adjust everything. All right, installation looked great. Now let's see how the Ford Performance by Borla touring exhaust sounds. Like I said before, keep in mind this is a 95 decibel system, so it's not going to be really much louder, but it's going to have a better tone. It's nice, it's a little deeper, you get a little crackle out of it. It's a great option if you're not looking for a really loud exhaust, you want to stay legal, but want better tone than the factory. Ford Performance Touring system is going to be a unique offering. It's designed to stay under that 95 dB limit. So you live in a state where you're very limited on what you can do as far as modifications. A lot of times you have to stay within 95 decibels. So this system was built exactly for that. So if you have a stock EcoBoost, you're looking for a little more exhaust tone out of a little more sound, but you really can't get a lot more volume like a Sport or an Extreme. The Touring is going to give you a similar tone, but just at a legal volume. And just like all the other systems, again, highway speeds, no drone, no resonance, nothing at all. It sounds completely quiet, nothing to worry about on the highway, but downshift, and you can hear the engine. You get more of that, signature EcoBoost sound. And like all the Ford Performance systems, this is available in your choice of either the chrome tips we installed here. You can also get the black chrome tip, or you can get the carbon fiber tip. And the Ford Performance by Borla Touring system is going to be the perfect choice if you're not looking for a lot more volume, but you want that better tone, you want a better looking tip, because I said the factory ones leave a lot to be desired, and you're saving 20 pounds as well. It makes it an excellent choice.